If you don't have an emergency fund, you're one bad day away from financial chaos. A car breakdown, a hospital bill, a layoff, and suddenly you're in debt you didn't plan for. That's not just stressful, it's dangerous to your financial progress. Here's the thing, an emergency fund isn't about being paranoid. It's about being prepared. It's your safety net, the foundation that lets you take smart risks later, like investing or starting a business. So how do you build one fast? Start by setting a target, 3 months of expenses. If that feels impossible, aim for 1 month first. Break it down. If your monthly costs are $3,000, your first target is $1,000. That's the momentum starter. Next, create a separate high-yield savings account just for emergencies, not mixed with your regular savings. Out of sight, out of temptation. Treat it like a fire extinguisher. You hope you never use it, but when you need it, you'll be glad it's there. Now, to build it quickly, use the two-stream method. Cut from the top and grow from the bottom. Cut one recurring expense, maybe streaming services, eating out, or subscriptions you barely use. Then add one extra income stream, a weekend side gig, freelancing, or flipping items online. Both moves together accelerate your fund dramatically. Finally, protect it. Your emergency fund isn't for vacations, gifts, or just this one thing. It's there for true emergencies only: job loss, medical needs, or essential repairs. When you have that cushion, everything changes. You stop making decisions from fear and start making them from power. You can take a job you actually like, invest confidently, and sleep at night. Build that safety net, and you'll never go back to living on the edge again. If this hit home, follow Money Maven Pro for more smart money moves that give you freedom, not stress. Next, we'll talk about how being frugal isn't the same as being cheap, and why that difference matters more than you think.